at least now I've got a clue ukuthi ne kulamazwe angaphandle kwenzakalani mawuvakashele wona. Ake nibuke le video le yalo mfowethu nginengitshela ukuthi ne what do you think?
Ngiphinde ngibuye bafowethu cha nje njengomhlali nje bafowethu hayi ngibonile lento yokulosithula bafowethu sithula siqhashaza while sine information ukuthi kwenzakalani kumele ama citizen ale country siwatshela ukuthi kwenzakalani because la we are being fooled lana senziwe ilimi guys mina ngizonibonisa mina ngicrossile country ngisebenza as a truck driver. These are my passports. So into engikhuluma ngami mina ngikhuluma ngento engiyazi. These are my passports. And laba passports lawa sinangikhuluma ukuthi laba ama passports mhlawumbe kuthiwa empty. Crossile border mina. Yabo? Crossile border, yabo? Crossile border mina. So ngikhuluma ngento engiyaziyo. Angizela ukuzokhuluma into engayazi. Yabo ipassport yami. Angikhulumi into engayazi, buka ama stamp. Yabo? Just angazi light liyaxo but nje uyabona. Angifuni uzongibhayizisa uyabona. Ngazongijwayela kabi. Ngiyabona. So bafethu. Kufanele lento ni understand. Yabona mina as umuntu ohambile kulama country lawa. Mina I've been to 9 countries including Congo Brazzaville. I've been there. Ama politician bafowethu aya benefita from kuma foreigner. Abelungu baya benefita from kuma foreigner. Abelungu ba benefit cheap labor from foreigners. Ayikho lento ukuthi ama foreigner ama hard worker. Mina ame truck driver ngisebenza nama foreigner here from me. Siyasuka nabo la uthothi siye Congo siye Namibia sakuphi kuphi umuntu akutshela ukuthi hayi ngikhathele ndoda truck stop elandelayo siyangena siyalala uthi awu wena ngoba kuthiwa we hard work ukhathazwa yini. So ake umzimba lo bafowethu ningayivumi it's a propaganda lento ukuthi foreigners are hard work than us. Into ekhona foreigners they don't have choice not ukuthi they are hard workers. Ikhohlweni leyo nto there's nothing like that. Ayikho foreigner kuthiwa hard worker. Kulama country lawa bafowethu mesiwahamba. Uyazi ukuthi udriver only 5 km. Ufuna amaphepha. Suwe kule road block another 5 km uzothola road block ufuna lamaphepha. Yonke la uhamba khona kuthi ungapaka even i-truck. Mawupaka i-truck uyothenga ukudla eshopeni funa wazi ukuthi uhamba nepassport. Musana ukuvumela labantu benenza ilima. I've been there. Yeah. Nanka 3 passport amanye ngiwashiya endlini. Lawe ngiwaphethe la yilawa la esikhwameni sami. So ngikhuluma ngento engiyaziyo la. Ayikho lento yeni ukuthi kulama African countries you walk freely. There's nothing. I remember eMozambique bengidiliza lapha ePort. Funitshela ukuthi abelungu nama politicians abenefita kanjani kuma foreigner while thina as a citizen sisafara. That's why nibabona bengenandaba and you are wasting your time. That's why ngithi mina Zulus let's go and fight for KZN. Asikhohlwe ile South Africa enye. These people are benefiting. Let me tell you. One day bengafika eMozambique I think kwakuyi system down or I don't know but kwathiwa sizodiliza the following day. Then nengabi zami sathi hayi no ashiyena ama truck siyeni la etown eMozambique. Mina passport yami ke mina even la eSouth Africa. Mina ngisho ngiyeshop mina ngihamba iID ngayiphethe. If iID angiphethe ufuna ngiphathe license. Anginayo nje lento ukuthi ngihamba empty handed. Mangiphuma everywhere la ngiphuma ngiyakhona. Mina iID yami ngishiyi mina. So amajita mesiphuma siyaphuma ema-truckini sithola nje lokho kuyimontonyana zakhona kweMozambique sayiqhasha sithi hayi ngoba iport vela yikho ne-town sithi ayicene sibe la e-town siyothola into ezincane. Guys yathi mayiqeda ukusibeka le monto edrobheni la khona ayisefikile ama-medikashi. Amaphoyisa akhona ke thina besiwabiza ama-medikashi imali yakhona. Angithi nathi la sinama rand bona imali yabo medikashi. So thina bese sibiza amaphoyisa akhona the way nje abusana ngakhona bese sibabiza ngama-medicash hey anobonanga laba medicash ngalapha so sithi siyehle emontweni mina vele zami izinto ekhona la ephayetheni kube khona umfowethu uthi passport yakhe ayikho eish bambuza yesu bali passport so isihlangano sicisho sifaneke nesiZulu uma umZulu ndishangana ungasizwa vele ukuba ignorant lokho sokuvuma izinto eziningi zesihlangano ziyafana nezesiZulu so amashangane kasile mabona ukukhuluma mekhuluma ishangane ebona ukuthi waphendula kahle abaleke ukukhuluma isiPutukezi sebezama manje ukusidida sebeyabuza manje uthapha amaphepha hayi sinabanye bafowethu sikhipha ama passports sikhipha izinto zethu kube khona umjito ongayiphathanga yo wathi uyazama ngiyachaza ngikhohliwe la i-passport e-tracking kanje mnganami wakhokha 3800 and that 3800 ubengenawo imali esacontributor sesihlanganisa sisonke samajito ukuthi kukhokhwe le mali ukuze sikhona ukuthi sihambe guys ayikho lento yokuthi walk free kulama country I've been even ko Zambia eZambia uthola i-roadblock i-1 kilometer ne-1 kilometer it's roadblock bakufuna all papers ningalonilalela omalemala bedlala ngani la nilonilalela lama politician edlala ngani la I've been in Zimbabwe eZimbabwe benza i-roadblock ngama drum I know benza i-roadblock amaphoyisa akhona i-roadblock ngama drum amaphoyisa akhona lawa amaphoyisa akhona lawa seZimbabwe lawa abusanayo nawo nje ayi problem eZimbabwe ikilometer nekilometer ithe roadblock and kuleyo roadblock kumele uzokhipha ipassport ukhipha amaphepha but if kwenziwa kule countries wrong guys what's wrong so let me tell you ukuthi why ama politicians pressure lento press including abelungu bayipressa lento ama foreigner because lento ama foreigner ihlukumeza thina as ordinary citizens abelungu they benefit those from these foreigners politicians they benefit from these foreigners ngizokutshela nje mining la shekuyona eZimbabwe kuthiwa ihangwe maybe ngingayipronounce wrong but ihangwe or hangwe or angazi hangwe something like ngilayishile mina lapha ihangwe ngilayishe more than 20 times iZimbabwe ngiyazi mina okudlula iKZN because mina KZN ngathi ngiqeda isikole ngeza la eGoli mina iKZN angiyazi KZN nje mina ngazi ukusuka la eGoli ngiye straight ekhaya mawungilahla nje eThekwini mina ngizobe ngingasazi ukuthi kumele ngazi ngihambe kanjani iTheka ngilazi uMaritzburg angiyazi angazi ayikho into engiyazi ngeKZN so lama country lawa ngiwazi okudlula la ngangizalwe khona but ngisuke ngiya with my papers angiyi nje free let me tell you about Hangwe mine ngathi mangena eHangwe ngizolayisha eHangwe ngifica omunye umjito osebenza khona I think it's a Shona guy very good guy sengimkhohliwe igama la a very nice guy Shona guy ethi hey Musa hey uyayibona le mine leyo zolayisha kuyona ithi yeah my bro athi aba South African anama shares la ama politicians anama shares la including workers kunama workers ase South Africa kule mine alifuna ngiqamba mangambani oyisesha phela iHangwe mine hambani oyisesha mina information engayithola khona ngitshela ukuthi le Hangwe mine ama politician anama shares South African politicians ubona beyipressa kangaka sibona ngisho ozwelinzima vavi kulamalanga basibeke la sikhinyiwe bafowethu ama politician asikhinyile wonke asibeke la kumele ni understand bafowethu ukuthi I'm not saying uzwelinzima vavi bafowethu unama shares laphana cha ngisho the way ngenza example the way ngiyabuka phela ku social media lo ababa uSimela bafowethu labantu banama shares kulama company angaphandle amanye ama company angaphandle is not even like ukuthi banama shares ba yawa owner straight OMTN o Shoprite wonke ama company o DStv ama company ethu alapha ngaphandle ona yiwo lama politician now tell me as a citizen ordinary citizen as me what do you benefit from those companies lawa outside the country ikhona imali engena in your pocket ukuthi khona ama-country a-own ama-politician njengoba ubona ama-politicians ethu namhlanje esihlukumeza kangaka protecting abantu ababulala iy'ngane zethu over money. Ilabantu ba-heartless ba-protector abantu ababulala iy'ngane zethu because they've got companies outside. Guys, no way. Our politicians are benefiting from these people. So bayasaba ukukhipha labantu because bayazi ukuthi banama companies lapha, including foreigners. Bahlale besiculela, they sing about this thing. Hey, ama company ase South Africa. Guys, we benefit nothing from those companies. Let us set the record straight. If in our closure ama company ase South Africa, let it be waxosheni. Tina, as citizens, we benefit nothing from those companies. Maybe we need to set the record straight because we always told about companies, South African companies that are outside of this country. As a citizens of this country, we benefit nothing from those companies. Nothing, zero. So abantu abakame nje ukusitshela ngalama company lawa asemazweni ohangwe mine lawa. Anginamali mina yakuyangenela la kuthiwa ibuye ehangwe mine. Platinum mine anginamali mina yakuyangenela mina kuthiwa ibuya kuphi. So lento lefuna i-understand ukuthi abantu ababenefita from kulezi zinto zama foreigner ama politician one, because bayi-2 phela abantu ababenefita from foreigners. Okokuqala sengibabalile, one, politicians. Abelungu babenefita from ma foreigner. Abelungu babenefita kanjani na? Cheap labor. You understand? Wena as a citizen kusele wena ongabenefit kulama foreigner. Wena as a citizen, instead of benefiting from foreigners are killing us. Foreigners are killing our future. I'm not saying drugs are being sold by foreigners only. No. Now siyabuka ama politicians ethu afaka ama contain. It's fine mefaka ama politicians wethu, we will deal with them. But sithini leyo ukuthi ama foreigners azodayisa ama drugs, because kuyezwakala if ama drugs adayiswa abantu bethu. We will deal with them. They are traceable. We know where to find them. But i drugs edayiswa in Nigeria, umuntu ozosuka eDurban naye eJoburg singasamazi ukuthi unyamalele washonaphi. I'm not saying it's only foreigners who are selling drugs in this country. No, even ours, they do. But lokho understandable, they are traceable. We know where to find them. But sithini ngalabantu laba bangatraceki abadayisa ama drugs, because ama foreigners adayisa ama drugs la. Ngeke sikufihle, mina ngihlala la eJulius. uJulius waqala from GP uye le Malvern, gijima drugs yodwa lapha. Uye Maboneng, ubani ona lama club aseMaboneng ama Nigeria, gijima drugs kuphela lapha. Guys, akwesiyekeni lento yokwenziwa ilima, asibenefit from lento lena. But into engayisho thina ukuthi silwele okwethu la nje ngifuthi nje ngikhuluma ngamaZulu, angifuni ukukhuluma ngabanye abantu, sesithuke kakhulu. Whatever ngishoyo mina la ngizokhuluma namaZulu. Bantu bakithi asilweleni province yethu KZN, khohlwa no Gauteng, khohlwa no banibani, asilwele izwe lethu, asibenefit from kulama foreigner. And thina mase kwi foreign countries sisuke samba with papers, asambi nje kuphela. Namhlanje siyathuka masifuna ukubona amaphepha alabantu ngoba abekho traceable, asikhona ukutrace alabantu. Mase siyayikhuluma lento siyathuka, sichapha ngazo zonke izinhlamba. Zulus are stupid, Zulus gidiklayela, Zulus gidethayela or whatever le abasithuka ngazo. Asilweleni KZN, it's a propaganda le ukuthi kulama countries uhamba uwalk freely. Nakho siya every time, siya nama passport ethu, siyavinjwa ku even uye shop umngani wami akhipha 3800 ngokuthi ukhohlwe ipassport etracking. Today sibona abantu bayasebenza eSouth Africa without passport. Today sibona abantu benza yonke into eSouth Africa without having the right papers. Bese siyatshela ukuthi xenophobic. Ngibuya koZambia, mina I've been to 9 countries la eAfrica. Ngitshele mina, ngitshele lama politicians asenza ilima because bacabanga ukuthi asitravel as South African. siya travela, just we travel with the right papers. We know what is going on kulama country. Siyafunwa amaphepha kodwa thina abantu bethu bomthetho bebefuna amaphepha sithola ukuthukeka. Akwesimeni ukulwela ke le country bafowethu bamaZulu. Mina ngikhuluma nabanye abantu ngoba le video if ngingayikhipha la ngithi ngikhuluma neSouth Africa njengamanje ngizolala ngithukwa la. So anakho ke isikole asibaleki isikole this isikole that isikole this isikole that because first thing nje another thing nje futhi asisidingi isikole. Assisting iland nje i-right enough ukuthi ikwazi ukuphilisa whatever etshalile kwiland uzotrader. If anginawo umbila ngizotrader ngihambisa amadumbu nginika umbila. We don't need education. Musanje umlonenziwe ilima asidingi yonke lento ukunika education ukuthi ngizobe islavery ngizosebenzela wena. I-education ukuthi ngizobe islavery ngisebenzele wena. Namhlanje amaZulu athuka kuthiwa awafundanga. Ukufunda kusho ukuthini? Ukufunda kusho ukuthi ufumele uvuke ngo8 uyosebenzela omunye umfana. Angali nami yebo ngiyasebenza la. Angisho ukuthi ku right. No. Asambeni bafowethu asibuyeleni ezintweni zakini. Angisho ukuthi laba abafundayo bakwenza wrong, ku wrong cha. But angingashiyo ukuthi thina esingafundanga silosithukwa. Because wena njengokufunda ufundela kuyobe islavery senye indoda. Angikhathalele ukuthi udokotela obani ngcono mekuthiwa uyafunda. Mina into mangathiwa ngiyafunda, mina fundela agriculture ukuthi ngihambe ngiyilimela mina emhlabeni obaba omkhulu le. Awuzongitshela mina ukuthi udokotela uzongichomela ukuthi ufundile udokotela, ufundela kuyobe islavery senye indoda. Njoba ubona thina amaZulu today kuthiwa sifundanga, sigcwele ematekisini. Ukugcwala etekisini kuna more freedom because it's your own business. Awusebenzele enye indoda. You are not a slavery of anybody. We are owning this thing. You in a peace. How about when ufunde 7 years ube udoctor ufundela ukuvuka ekseni uyosebenzela omunye umfana? Ithini indaba yakho? If mina kuthiwa ngiyavuka today ngiyofunda, ngifuna ngiyofundela ukuthi ifarming uyenza kanjani farming, inkukhu izenza kanjani, inkomo uzenza kanjani, utshala kanjani. Akuzovuka umuntu odokotela la ezosithetha amaZulu afundanga. Ufundile wena ufundela ube slavery somunye umfana. That's it. U-engineer emayini, we-engineer emayini yabantu bapheshe abama European. Abelungu babenifundisela ukuthi nizosebenzela bona. Uzobona besichoma yezulu sabafundanga ukufunda wathi ukuthi yobe slavery somunye umfana. Ama European the day ehamba la eAfrica, that's when nizobona khona ukuthi banishiye with nothing but with papers. Lawo ma certificate is just a paper. And basebenzisa ukuthi nina nizoba ama-slavery wabo. The day South Africa sebeyincele bayidla sebebuyele emuva niyobona ukuthi lezo certificate abanikeza lawo maphepha lawo they useless. Nini into kwakumele nifunde it's farming, how to grow umbila, cows, chickens. Yisi certificate sangempela, not certificate sokuthi you are an engineer. The day leyo company ihambe yosala nephepha. Asivulekeni la siye ukutshela abantu ukuthi amaZulu afundanga, amaZulu dead ngoba elwela izwe alibona lihamba. Sibulawela abantu badayisa ama drugs, osisi bethu badayisa emgaqweni, badayisa ngemizimba emgaqweni. Asivukeni bantu bakithi, khona okungekho right la. Ngibonge.